Are you looking to dive into the exciting world of XAUUSD trading? Gold trading is highly volatile and can yield significant profits. However, it demands strict discipline and a reliable strategy. Let's break down the best beginner strategy for 2025 using simple price action and strong trend logic. First, we need to understand the core method. The trading cycle consists of 3 key steps: identify the trend, wait for a pullback to a key zone, and then enter with a strong confirmation. When analyzing XAUUSD, you should focus on specific timeframes. Use the H4 or H1 timeframe to determine the main trend direction. This will give you your trading bias. For entry signals and finer adjustments to your stop loss, refer to the M15 timeframe. Next, let's explore the crucial aspect of stop loss and risk reward. With XAUUSD's high volatility, a stop loss is mandatory. Place it strategically beyond key structures. Always aim for a minimum of 1 to 2 risk to reward. This ratio ensures your profitability, even with a win rate as low as 34%. Specific stop loss placement rules must be followed. For a buy setup, position your stop loss below the swing low that forms the pullback. Conversely, for a sell setup, place it above the swing high. Position sizing is also essential. Calculate your volume based on stop loss distance, adhering to the 1% risk rule. Now let's talk about timing and volatility management. The best times to trade XAUUSD are during the overlap of the New York and London sessions. This period exhibits the highest volatility and clearest trends. Avoid trading during news events like NFP and FOMC, as they can lead to erratic price movements. In conclusion, mastering XAUUSD trading involves 2 critical elements: trend identification and risk control. Always have a planned stop loss. Avoid overtrading and disregarding session volatility to protect your capital. Remember, trading gold can be highly rewarding but comes with risks. Consistently apply the 1% risk rule and stay informed to enhance your trading journey. If you're ready to take control of your XAUUSD trading, implement these strategies and see your confidence grow. Like and subscribe for more insights and tips. Happy trading!